Nowadays, in order to stay competitive, manufacturers must embrace digital marketing. Digital marketing can seem like a huge and daunting task, but one key piece of advice is to put your customers at the heart of everything you do. Knowing who your customer is and what they want is at the core of any successful digital marketing campaign. This video will look at 3 ways you can ensure that all-important customer focus in manufacturing marketing. Firstly, conduct detailed persona research. This will tell you who exactly your customers are. Don't assume you already know this. It's possible that your typical buyer is changing, or perhaps their attitude is changing, or the characteristics might change from country to country, and therefore having this open mindset is very important. Research what your target persona's motivations and pain points are so that you can target them with a highly specific solution message. This will allow you to create more tailored content that is more likely to catch their attention. Secondly, find out which social networks your customers are on. In most countries, the leading B2B platform is LinkedIn, followed by Twitter and Facebook. However, this isn't the case worldwide, so if you're targeting international markets, make sure to research if there are any local platforms where your customers might be present. If you're targeting clients in Russia, you should know that LinkedIn is currently banned in the country. In China, however, LinkedIn is quite popular, but there's also another popular platform called MyMy, which has about 50 million users. Knowing which social networks your customers are on is useful because it'll tell you where you need to share your content. And finally, focus on how your products make your customers' lives easier. When you're promoting your products, you should emphasize the benefits of your products in your messaging, not just their features. The distinction between features and benefits might sound straightforward, but they're often confused. For example, a feature of an MP3 player could be that it has 1 GB of storage, but not many people fully understand what that means. However, if you instead put forward the message that the MP3 player will put 1,000 songs in your pocket, which is a benefit, that is a message that many consumers will immediately understand and take on board. Can you think of any other tips on how to ensure a customer focus in manufacturer marketing? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, we have a more detailed guide on this topic on our training platform. Check it out using the link in the description.